Hi everyone, welcome back to Sophia Edu Support. This video will give you an idea about the longest road bridges in India. We may have seen many bridges while we travel. It is a different experience when we travel through a bridge. The bridges are usually connecting two sides of a river or two valleys to make a passage. There are thousands of small and large bridges. But have you ever thought that which is the longest bridge in India and what is the length of it? In this video, I am going to tell you about 10 longest road bridges in India. The 10th longest bridge in India is Kolia Bomora Setu in Assam, which is constructed from 1981 to 1987 and was inaugurated by the then Prime Minister of India Rajiv Gandhi. Kolia Bomoro Setu is a pre-stressed concrete road bridge over the Brahmaputra River near Tezpur and Kaliabor in Assam. It is named after the Ahom general Kolia Bomora Pukhan. This bridge connects Sonitpur on the north bank with Nagaon district on the south bank. The length of this bridge is 3015 meters and it is one of the best places to go for a drive. Along with tourism, the bridge plays an important role in the development of Northeast Indian states. Jawahar Setu is the ninth longest bridge in India, which is across the Son River between Dehri on Son and Son Nagar in Bihar. It is named after the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. It was designed and completed in 1963 by Principal Engineer Shantaram Kashyap. The length of the bridge is 3061 meters. The eighth longest road bridge in India is Chahlari Ghat Bridge in Uttar Pradesh, also called Chahlari Ghat Setu. It is a bridge over the river Gagra connecting Bahraich in the east to Sitapur in the west of Uttar Pradesh. Its length is 3260 meters and it is the longest road bridge over river in Uttar Pradesh. In 2006, PWD Minister Shivpal Singh Yadav laid stone of this bridge, completing the promise of an old socialist leader, Mukhtar Anis. The bridge was completed in 2017 and by the Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav it was inaugurated. In seventh place stands Godavari Fort Bridge with 4,135 meters in Andhra Pradesh. The Godavari Fort Bridge, also known as Kovur Rajamundry Fort Bridge, is built across Godavari River in Rajamundry, Andhra Pradesh. This bridge was constructed to reduce road distance between Kolkata and Chennai by at least 150 kilometers. This dual bridge connects West Godavari district to East Godavari district. The foundation stone for the bridge was laid in 2009 by the Chief Minister Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy. Fourth bridge was targeted to be completed in 2012, but due to multiple delays, it was opened to traffic in 2015. Next is Ara Chapra Bridge, which is the sixth longest road bridge in India with 4,350 meters located in Bihar. This bridge, also known as Veer Kunwar Singh Setu, it is the multi-span bridge across the Ganga River connecting Ara and Chapra of Bihar. Veer Kunwar Singh Bridge was opened for public use on 11 June 2017. Ara Chapra Bridge reduced the distance between Chapra and Ara from 130 km to 40 km. This has greatly reduced the distance of Ara, Aurangabad and Babua districts from Siwan, Chapra and Gopalganj districts. The fifth longest road bridge in India is Vikramshila Setu, located in Bihar, which has 4,700 meters length. Vikramshila Setu is a bridge across the Ganga River near Bhagalpur in Bihar. It is named after the ancient Mahavihara of Vikramashila, which was established by King Dharmapala in 783 to 820 AD. Vikramshila Setu is the fifth longest bridge over water in India. The 4.7 kilometer long two-lane bridge runs from Barari Ghats to Naugachia. This bridge was opened to the traffic in 2001. In fourth place stands Bandra Worli Sea Link with 5,600 meters in Maharashtra. Bandra Worli Sea Link or Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link is the fourth longest bridge above water in India. It is a masterpiece built in India. The Bandra Worli Sea Link is a bridge that links Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai with Worli in South Mumbai. It is a cable-stayed bridge with pre-stressed concrete steel viaducts on either side. The 5.6 km long bridge is a part of the proposed Western Freeway. The bridge was commissioned by the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation and built by the Hindustan Construction Company. The first 4 of the 8 lanes of the bridge were opened to the public on 30th June 2009, and all 8 lanes were opened on 24th March 2010. The sea link reduces travel time between Bandra and Worli during peak hours from 20 to 30 minutes to 10 minutes. Now comes in the third place Mahatma Gandhi Setu of Bihar. Mahatma Gandhi Setu was the third longest river bridge in India over the river Ganga connecting Patna in the south to Hajipur. It is 5,750 meters long river bridge which is one of the major tourist attraction of the state. It was inaugurated by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1982. It was the longest bridge for many years before the Dibang Bridge was inaugurated. The second longest road bridge in India is the Dibang River Bridge in Arunachal Pradesh. It is also known as the Sikang Bridge. Dibang River Bridge, built across the Dibang River in Arunachal Pradesh, is the second longest road bridge in India after Bhupen Hazarika Setu and followed by Mahatma Gandhi Setu. It is 6.2 kilometers long, that is 6,200 meters. The 750 crore rupees project has seen disruptions due to resistance from locals. In 2018, it became operation after completion and testing. It is a very important bridge for strategical reason as it helps Indian Army to reach China border in less time. Now comes in the first place the Dola Sadia Bridge having 9.15 kilometers or 9,150 meters long, located in Assam. Dola Sadia Bridge, also known as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu. This bridge is constructed over the mighty Brahmaputra and it is become India's longest road bridge above water. The 9.15 kilometer long bridge connects Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The bridge was inaugurated on 26 May 2017 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It reduced the distance between Assam and Arunachal Pradesh by 165 kilometers and cut down the travel time by 5 hours. Hope this video is interesting. Keep watching and subscribe us for such interesting educational videos. Thank you for watching.